See, we have this nice even gap all the way around. Down here on the strike side, it gets a little big. You look over here on the hinge side, it's kind of small. This is an example where I'd want to move this hinge. See, if you look down, what if we could just tilt the hinge that way? That will push the door over there, and it'll close that gap, and it'll make this gap a little bit bigger. This will only take a minute. So I got the hinge off. Now I want to move the hinge this way. So if I wanted to move the hinge that way, I would take these screws out and I would put them up here. You don't want to put them there because that's where the hinge screws go in. So we're going to leave them there, but see how flat they are? I'm just going to back them off a little bit. And do this little trial and error, and you do have to put the hinge back on. So I got them sticking out like an 1/8 inch. Let's do both of these. Put the hinge back on and see what that does. My screws back in. Now you see that hinge is going like that. Let's see what that did. Look at that. Much better gap there. And now we've got a bigger gap here and a smaller gap there, and it's nice and even all the way up. Another trick.